Okay, Pete's Picks, back again. There we go. I don't know what number it is. As I said, I'm no locksmith, just a hobbyist. But I like a little bit of a challenge. So if anybody's got a challenge for me, you're quite welcome to send it. Inbox me and I'll let you know where to send it and I'll see how I go with it. But here we go. I'll try this with the rake. Get the past the tensioner. Okay, try and get the front pin down with the rake as you rake it back first.
This one's for all my Houzo kids. Anyone that's doing it tough. If you put your mind to it, you can achieve.
With the rake, you flow the tensioner in and out as you rake at the same time, like in sequence. Rake might be the one for this one. Yep, there we go. Too easy. Pete's Picks. Inbox me if you've got a challenge. See what I can do.